All right. Okay, is sports martial arts keeping traditional martial arts alive? Uh, I want to talk about this. I want to see what you guys think as well. So comment down below what you think. If I'm kind of on the right track here, if you're seeing the same thing, what are we seeing within the martial arts community? I'm seeing a lot more of this like martial arts leaning towards the sports side. Everything that I've seen on YouTube lately, man, like hours and hours and hours of sports martial arts. Now, I grew up in a sports style martial arts. That's not what I walked in there to the beginning. I wasn't normally wanting self defense. I was wanting to be more light on my feet, faster reaction. Just my day to day activities, whatever that was gonna come. I wanted to kind of be more light, fast, quick on my feet, faster reflexes, and I figured martial arts was going to give me that. So that was my main purpose for getting into martial arts. But soon I discovered there was a huge sports side of my association, and I dove right in head first because I loved the aggressiveness of the sparring. It wasn't MMA grade, but it was literally like right below that. I mean, it was hard contact, and it was you can come out with fat lip, bloody nose, knocking each other out. So at that time, I was young. I was full of spit and vinegar, and that like that was right up my alley. So I kind of jumped in both feet. Now they came out with this thing called creative martial arts, and I'm going to call this the Hollywood style of martial arts. And hate it or love it, like it is huge. It is a big like moneymaker within the martial arts. And if you're not teaching this creative martial arts, you're missing out on a lot of potential students. I did, I did a little bit of the creative stuff. Not too much just because that wasn't my style, but I did teach it in my school, and a lot of my kids really gravitated to it pretty good because they could have the bow staff, the open hand, creative open hand, the katana. I mean, a lot of different expressions of martial arts comes from this creative martial arts. Now, this will not work in a real street fight. And I am the first one to tell you that. If they ever try to do what they do in the ring, they would get laughed at, and they would just get their butts kicked, hands down. This is not made for the street. The creative is made for competition, but it is a very, very, very big thing, and it's a big money maker for martial arts schools to teach this. And so that's where my question comes in. Is that style, is competition saving martial arts, the traditional martial arts of what it was made for? So one, I think if you're not using your martial arts and you're just training, for years and years and years, and you don't get to use it, except on those 1 in a million chances that you will be attacked, or did get attacked, or you're just looking to fight somebody out in the street. I knew a lot of people that just would just pick fights. I'm not a bully. I don't teach martial arts to bullies. And if you're a bully within the martial arts, I don't like that. I think we need to get away from bullying each other to just defending ourselves from those, individuals that just don't like life, that just are out to hurt others. But we don't really get to use our martial arts as much. And so I think us as humans, and I've seen this in other countries too, where they're starting to lean more towards like that competition martial arts. WT, World Taekwondo, the Olympic style. They have a whole big organization and training centers for training you for the Olympics, and there's a lot of YouTubers that have channels that look into that, and even the karate systems, they have that same world's competition, huge competition. Jiu-jitsu is a big component of competing. Judo is. So let's think about this for a second. So if we didn't have competition, just me, I'll ask myself this question, would I have stayed as long as I did if there was no competition for me to express my training and getting, like that gold medal? Probably not. If a school just sticks to just training and no tournaments, I think students get bored. Whether it's kids and adults, I think we've come to the modern day martial arts where competition needs to be in there. It truly does. I don't think, check the MMA out. If the MMA didn't exist, do you think there would be people just training MMA just for the fun of it? I don't think so. I think they, have a goal in mind. They want that belt, they want that contract, they want, that, like, whatever it is, UFC title. And so there's a goal in mind that people need to achieve. And when you're just training without any goals except just belt rank, once you get your second, third degree and you're just kind of, waiting for your time to get your next belts, like, things can get a little monotonous, and, just, you get kind of bored. I did. If I didn't have tournaments, then I would probably be really bored of training day in, day out, 5 days a week, things like that. So I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Down at the comments. I don't think martial arts would be where it is today if we didn't have competition. Judo, jiu-jitsu, karate, taekwondo, if they didn't have some kind of competition, I don't think we would have near the excitement of martial arts. Just in movies, I don't think that really can pull us in 100%. To look at is Cobra Kai. What did they really base their series off of? And it was competition. The All Valley, and then the Saikai Taikai. It was competition for them. Yeah, there were some bullies involved, and they needed to, shut each other's studios down, and, backstories, but it was based on competition. So, I don't know. That's all I got for this one. Comment down below. Let me see what you think. Because, that's kind of where I see, martial arts is. And I believe we wouldn't have martial arts without competition. All right. So, with that, go ahead and comment down below. Like and share. And then subscribe. And then until next time, guys, go ahead. Train hard. Train smart. And I'll see you in the next one.